SpaceX is once again on a unique mission. It will orbit Earth from pole to pole. This marks a new trajectory that no human has traveled before. Last night at 9:47 p.m., it launched a Falcon 9 rocket off NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. But why is this flight path and mission so special, you ask? Well, this rocket launch has carried the Fram-2 mission into the polar orbit. It is fascinating because this would take the crew over the Earth's polar region for the very first time. The crew is aboard the Dragon spacecraft, which we know from other missions such as the Crew 1, Inspiration 4 and the Polaris Dawn. The Fram-2 crew is a new one. The mission is headed and funded by Chun Wong. He is a Maltese investor originally from China who founded a Bitcoin mining company. Other crew members include Norwegian virtual reality filmmaker Jannicke Mikkelsen, German robotics expert and polar scientist Rabbe Roge, and Australian polar explorer Eric Phillips. Each of these crew members will also be involved in 22 experiments, ranging from exercise studies in zero gravity to even growing mushrooms in space. One of these activities also happens to be performing an X-ray on the human body. This will be the first ever such X-ray taken beyond Earth. Most experiments will focus on how spaceflight and weightlessness impact the human body. On returning, the rocket will attempt a precise landing on the drone ship called a Shortfall of Gravitas, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. The crew also aims to exit the spacecraft unassisted on its return, a key milestone in understanding astronaut performance post-mission. This launch will determine polar orbit flyovers, redefine post-mission recovery, and tell us about the possibility of life growing in microgravity. If this goes through as expected, the Fram-2 mission will give us a glimpse into the future of human spaceflight and transform our own future.